GARDENA Cleansystem is the perfect washing system for thorough cleaning around the house and garden. Put away your bucket and sponge. The Cleansystem draws water through the handle straight to the cleaning head by connecting directly to your hose pipe. Used in conjunction with Gardena's Care product range, cleaning outside is brilliantly simple. The GARDENA Cleansystem has a range of cleaning heads to suit all outdoor cleaning applications. Choose from soft wash brushes and cleaning fleece to gently clean delicate surfaces such as cars and windows. Hard bristle brushes are available for tackling floor surfaces such as patios and pavements. The GARDENA Cleansystem range of running water handles enables you to reach even the least accessible places. Choosing the right handle for your cleaning tasks is easy. The telescopic handle extends to 2.6 meters, and the jointed handle extension allows you to get to surfaces that might otherwise get missed entirely. All handles incorporate a lockable, infinitely adjustable flow control, so you use as much or as little water as you need. Cleaning with water alone isn't always possible. The Cleansystem range of detergents and polish is dispensed from the handle to ensure all your surfaces are left sparkling. The GARDENA Cleansystem is available in ready-made sets for car cleaning and window cleaning, or simply choose your own combination of handle and tool to create your perfect individual clean system.